Today, I'm going to take you along to my friend's incredible destination wedding that she had at a chateau in France.
I had croissants and Coke for lunch.
The wedding was out in the Normandy area of France, and it was in a chateau called Chateau de Courtemer. When we pulled up and saw that this is where we were going to be spending the weekend, we almost didn't believe it. Everyone got a welcome basket with a baguette and macaroons. All of our rooms had our names hanging from the door. It was, oh my gosh, look at the view. One of the prettiest places I've ever been. The entire wedding party fit in the chateau, and then a few of our friends stayed in the farmhouse, is what they called it, and it was adorable. It had been renovated and was decorated so cute. The night we arrived, they had a welcome dinner, and so we got all dressed up and wandered around the chateau, this incredible library. There was actually another secret bedroom behind that door that no one was staying in. I'm not sure that the wedding planner even knew it was there. The ceiling just got lower and lower the farther you went until you go to the circular sitting room, but the floor details.
I'm in awe because I always tell them, if you ever have one or two best friends, you are the luckiest person in the world. And I look at all you guys.
After the dinner, we changed into comfy clothes and went and played games all night. It was so fun. Then on the wedding day, we drove in to this cute little area of town and had pizza for lunch before heading back to the chateau in order to get ready.
I do a picture of this cute little. I'll be in the middle. No, in the middle.
Stop doing that! I pop bruise.
If you do it again, I'm gonna poop you.
I do it to myself.
Why?
Got some ironing going on here.
Hey Dani, can we talk?
Towel on her head in front of that window.
Yes! That is cute.
Her flowers were so beautiful.
So much.
Then it was time for us to get ready to go over for the ceremony. We didn't have our phones for that, and so I don't have any videos. And we're walking to the wedding. After the ceremony, they had champagne and appetizers while everyone took pictures.
Baby, come back. I don't want that.
The live music was such a vibe. By sheer luck, I got this on video, which I still think is hilarious.
I had croissants and Coke for lunch.
Her dress was absolute perfection. I loved that it wasn't traditional, pure white, but it had the flowers on it as well. Here's a picture of my girlfriends and all of our dresses. We nailed the pastels. And I love this picture of our friend group. Here's the full-length version, so you can just get another look at that dress. Then we got served probably the best dinner I've ever had at a wedding.
And mac and cheese while watching Dexter for hours on end. The past couple years, through some chocolate.
Instead of doing a traditional cake, they did several different types of desserts that you could just go grab. I thought that was a way better idea than the old school wedding cake. Then we went out to another building on the property that they've turned into the dance floor so that we could have their first dances as well as the DJ. This is probably the most fun I've ever had.
Like all Russian buttholes would be
It's
rusty.
so good, actually.
It's tequila with cinnamon around the rim instead of salt, and then instead of a lime, you do an orange.
The day after the wedding, we went to Mont Saint Michel, which I actually made a video on, so you can check that out on my channel. And then, as friends, we all just sat around and talked, and we finished off the dessert. So, best wedding ever.